In a world filled with constant stimulation and distractions, finding inner peace and focus can seem like an uphill battle. But what if there was a way to reset your mind and regain control over your attention and emotions? Welcome to our channel, where today we'll be exploring the concept of dopamine detox, its benefits, and how you can. Before we delve into the specifics, let's understand what dopamine is and how it affects our brain. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure, motivation, and reward. It plays a crucial role in our brain's reward system, reinforcing behaviors that make us feel good. However, in today's digital age, we're bombarded with a constant stream of notifications, social media updates, and entertainment options that flood our brains with excessive dopamine. This overstimulation can lead to reduced attention span, decreased motivation, and even addiction. This is where dopamine detox comes in. It's a deliberate and temporary break from activities that flood our brains with excessive dopamine, allowing our minds to reset and resensitize to the natural pleasures of life. So how do you do a dopamine detox? Well, there are several levels you can start with, depending on your comfort and goals. Let's explore 3 common levels: easy, moderate, and advanced. Easy level. Start by eliminating digital distractions. This means no social media, no video games, and no binge watching. Instead, engage in activities that require focus, such as reading, journaling, or practicing a musical instrument. Rediscover the simple joys of life. Moderate level. Take a step further and eliminate not just digital distractions, but also external stimuli that overload your senses. Avoid excessive noise, bright lights, and unnecessary social interactions. Embrace solitude and engage in mindful practices like meditation or yoga. Advanced level. This level requires a deeper commitment. Disconnect completely from the digital world, limit social interactions to the bare minimum, and spend time in nature, away from the noise and chaos of daily life. Use this opportunity for self-reflection, introspection, and reconnecting with your inner self. Remember, dopamine detox is not about depriving yourself permanently. It's a temporary break to regain control over your attention and rediscover the beauty of life's subtler pleasures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to others who need it. See you next time.